Let's talk about how 365 Wine Trade works with Excel.
Sure. I don't know any wine and spirits distributors or suppliers who don't use Excel, and I know a lot who use Excel extensively. And most systems these days can export CSV data or Excel data, and most of them can even import data from Excel and CSV. But with Wine Trade, the connection is really seamless. So any of your business data that's in Wine Trade, if you want to work with it using Excel tools instead of Business Central tools, that's just a couple of clicks. And so let's take an example of a pretty simple one where we want to increase all of our customers' credit limits by 8%. Our costs have gone up, our prices have gone up. So I'm going to click Open in Excel, Edit in Excel for our entire customer list. And we see that same data, all of our customer data, in fact, in one Excel spreadsheet. We're going to scroll over to the column that shows the current credit limit right there. For just a minute, I'm going to insert a column to do some calculations, and it's going to be simple. I'm just going to multiply the current credit limit by 1.08 so I can up everybody this consistent amount I've already decided on. I'm going to copy those values and paste them over to the credit limit column, paste them as values, of course. And now I'm going to delete that column K that I don't need anymore. Over on the right-hand side in my Dynamics toolbar, I'm going to publish this all back to Wine Trade. It has now published to Wine Trade, and I'm going back, looking at my live customer list, and I see everybody's credit limits has gone up by 8%, just like I said in Excel. And so you can imagine that was a pretty simple example, but if you're an Excel power user, anything you can do with your data in Excel, you can now do with data in Wine Trade with just a few clicks.
Yeah, because there's often times where you want to mass update data. Like I've seen when you do a reorg for sales teams and you want to change a lot of, let's say, 20 customers to a different rep. It's so easy to just go in and make that change and update it rather than having to open up each customer card and then individually make that change and save it and go to the next one. So just saves you a lot of time. And also, as Matt showed there, by adding a formula in there, it also gives you more accuracy on the data that you're putting in. That's a great example, Matt. Thank you for that.